Good morning, everyone. This is Unilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 2. Our subject is SST and in SST we are doing history. So as you all have seen that yesterday we have started chapter 3 of history. Topic of the chapter is in the earliest cities. In the previous worksheet related to chapter 3, we have discussed over the keywords, and in today's worksheet 8, I will explain you the question answers that are related to chapter 3 only. So like always, before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 10 July 2021. With this, you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this, you have to mention chapter 3 in your copies. Now let's see the question answers. Question number 1 is, who is a craft person? Answer is, craft persons are the people who make beautiful objects by hands either in their own houses or in a workshop. So craft persons are the people who make the beautiful objects by their hands only, either they make in their own houses or they make in a workshop. Question number 2 is, write any 3 old buildings located in Delhi. You have to tell the names of any 3 old buildings that are located in Delhi. Let's see the answer. First building is Rashtrapati Bhavan, second is Sansad Bhavan, and third one is Red Fort. Question number 3 is, seals are used even today. Find out why they are used for. So as we see that seals are used even today also, so we have to find out why they are used for. Answer is, in present times, seals are used to stamp bags and packets containing goods that are sent from one place to another. So in the present times, seals are used to stamp the bags and packets which contain the goods which has to be sent from one place to another. Question number 4 is, do you think it is important to preserve old buildings? So, do you think that it is important to preserve the old buildings? Now, let's see the answer. Answer is, old buildings may have a beautiful ground plan. It may be designed carefully. It connects people with their past. So, we should preserve the old buildings. So old buildings may have a very beautiful ground plan. It may be designed carefully after the planning. It connects people with their past. So it is our duty to preserve the old buildings. Question number 5 is, make list of what Harappans ate. You have to make a list what Harappans ate. Answer is, they ate barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseed, mustard and all types of grain. Next heading is, match the following. So some words are being given and we have to match them with the correct answer. So here we have written the answers against the question only. So first one is copper. Copper was found in Rajasthan. Second one is gold. Gold was found in Karnataka. Third one is tin. Tin was found in Afghanistan. And fourth one is precious stones which were found in Gujarat. So these were the question answers and one exercise related to chapter 3 of history which I have explained you. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.